Today's exciting episode, we're going to use this cicada lure. See if we can catch anything off it in the water, but might get something in this pond because every time you throw something in here, the fish bite. But it looks like they're draining it, to be honest, because I'm actually in the pond. He's got to make big pops with it. Got one. Oh, yeah. Yes, he went right after it. Oh, nice. I saw that too. Perfect. Destroyed it. First fish of the day. Let's go. Ow, I just hooked my hand. Gosh darn. Woo. There's one. Oh, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Yes, bigger one too. Look at it, I choked it too. There we go. Good, finally got it off. Second fish of the day, off the cicada. See ya. It's 2 fish I have gotten off the cicada. Literally 2 fish. So I mean, it's working. I also will leave a link in the description below for you guys if you want to pick it up. I mean, it doesn't swim in the water that good, but it draws the fish's attention, and it's basically what you need. Flashy, hooks are good on it, nice and sharp. It's good size, and it actually does look like a real cicada. Okay guys, so as you can see, the cicada lure did catch fish. Got 2 fish. Does not really work in the water as I thought it would. It kind of spins and twirls, and it's just a really bad swimmer. I mean, you have to throw it out there, cast far because it's heavy, and just let it sit on the water and barely move it. Because if you move it too much and you reel it in too fast, it's just going to spin around and not get any fish. The fish I caught actually were, as soon as when I threw it in the water, they came up and hit it. It does look like a real cicada. And overall, I would say it's out of 10, I give it a 5 just because it swims bad, but it looks like a really, really good live cicada. So I will leave a link in the description below for you guys to check that lure out. So that's about it today for today's exciting episode of Hook and Bass on YouTube. If you guys can do me a big, big favor, hit that like button, also to hit that subscribe button. And as always, catch big fish. Have a great day.